What's happening, everyone? My name is Adrian. Welcome back to What the Pun. Today we are probably going to be doing one of the most important upgrades on my Audi S4 B9, and it's probably something that you're not even going to be seeing on the car as well. Probably. So, if you haven't guessed already, the intercooler, that is what I'll be changing on the Audi S4 B9 today. The reason I'm doing the upgrade is because when you're deciding to chase more power, the intercooler is one of the parts they recommend you doing, because when you start chasing more power, heat becomes a bit of a problem. Though the stock intercooler is perfectly fine, you do find when you're chasing more power, then heat soak becomes even more of an issue. So if you're looking for more consistent performance, more runs, better performance on longer drives, then the intercooler is the thing to upgrade. Simply put, it's basically like if I decide to do a long run today, a few runs, I come back from like 2 or 3 runs, and then I decide to go out for another one. The third one is never going to be the best as my maybe first or second run, because I'm going to be so knackered. And yeah, I guess that's the best way to put it, I guess. So for this upgrade, I've decided to go with, if you haven't seen the box already, Forge Motorsports. So I've got an intercooler supplied through my sponsorship with Forge Motorsports. If you're also after any upgrades for your car, do feel free to check them out and use my discount code I'll have on the screen. Some exclusions do apply. So let's get started. I'm not going to go super in depth, but I'll show you the main bits as we go along. Let's go. You join me now in the S4 B9 since installing the Forge Motorsport's intercooler. This is pretty much the first proper drive in the car since fitting intercooler. We just went to watch Bluey at the cinema with Amelia. She enjoyed it. She's completely knocked out at the back, in mummy's arms, having her little power nap. But yeah, pretty straightforward. Removed the bumper, removed the original intercooler, and then the only trouble was, I wouldn't say it's trouble, a little bit more time consuming, is just trying to squeeze the large Forge Motorsports intercooler into position. The side that's closest to the hard charge pipe, that comes out a bit longer than the original one, so it was a bit of a tight squeeze to get that into place. But otherwise, straightforward, job done, job's a good and car's driving lovely. But yeah, definitely something for those of you thinking about intercooler. Yeah, it's definitely something to consider if you're planning to push the car to have more power, or already have your car tuned but looking to get bigger numbers. Then yes, the intercooler, I would say, is an essential on your little shopping list. So yeah, really, really, really happy of how the intercoolers turned out on the S4 B9. Huge shout out to Forge Motorsports. Huge thanks for supplying the goods. I'm so pleased, so lucky that I have such a quality brand supporting WhatThePun. And if, like myself, you're looking to modify your Audi S4 B9 or any other car, they make all the goods for all the cars. Honestly, take a look, take a browse. Feel free to use my discount code. But yeah, honestly, if you're looking to do some mods, check them out, please. Do yourself a favor. But yeah, hope you've been enjoying the content lately. This is honestly just a start. If you haven't heard already, there's a European road trip that I'm still finalizing the plans for. Probably not the best of ideas because with what's going on in the world, I'm like in the back of my head, I'm thinking, will I have fuel, or will fuel be too expensive? But I planned this for so long. Everything's been booked well in advance. I'm gonna see it through. I'm gonna make the most of it. Might be interesting because of what's going on in the world, but hey, make the most of life. Enjoy. I'm with my family. We're gonna enjoy it a lot. But that is just a snippet of what's coming up. Our European road trip that's gonna be taking place at the end of April. It's gonna, I think, gonna be a 3-part series. Still finalizing the details for the video ideas, but I think I'm going to do it as a 3-part series. Who knows? But if you don't miss that out, be sure to like, subscribe, keep yourself notified of what's going on with this channel. But from me, that's it for this week. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you all next time. Take care. See you. Bye bye.